Now, in the laundry business, there are different type of packaging nylon we use to package customers' clothes. Yes, we have the 12 by 14, we have the 17 by 13, we have the 14 by 20, and so on and so forth. Why is this so? It helps you to know what to package and how to package it. Sometimes packaging nylon will be exhausted. You begin to wonder how you manage it. So on this video, I want to describe to us how you can be able to utilize the effect of packaging nylon. Yes, how you can able to use the effect of packaging nylon. Now, if you want to package round neck, singlet, boxers, all of that one, the perfect packaging nylon you can use is called 10 by 14. Yes, 10 by 14, something like this. You see, it's 10 by 14. Yes. So for shirt, like for t-shirt, polo, top, jeans, all of these ones, you use 12 by 15. That is this one. Yes. You see now, it's long. It's very long. 12 by 15. Yes. And then to package senators, men senators, senators, all of these native, what you use now, you use 13 by 17. That is this big one. 13 by 17. See it now, how it's big. The one can take more cloth. And also you can also use this 13 by 17 to package those where the gun, yes, where the gun, those are beaded cloth, are showcase. You can use this one to package them also. We also have something like this. This one is called duvet packaging bag for duvet. And also we use for duvet and for suit. Example, you see this suit. This suit is packaged with this duvet bag. So duvet bag can be used for duvet, and then you see the duvet here. Yes, it can use to package duvet and then to package suit also. This one is called duvet bag. Now, to those big wedding gown and those robe, cassock or choir robe, some people fold their own. Some people, if you want to fold choir robe or those garments, you can still use this one. 13 by 20, 70 by 20, you can still use. But if you don't want to use it, you will now use what they call dummy packaging bag for dummy. Don't want to use for showcasing dummy, for clothes in the boutique, all of this. So you can use that dummy line for big wedding gown, for robe, all those garments, celestial garments, all of this one. So that is how you use it in the laundry business. So don't go and use this one for this one and this one for this one. When it comes to singlet and boxer, condom boxer, banana boxer, you use 12 by 14 to put there, and then it will look okay. Yes, it will very look okay. When it comes to senator, when it comes to jeans, when it comes to polos, yes, you can use 13 by 17. It can accommodate more of them. So on this video, that's why we are doing here. So this is Pants Academy International. Follow us for more laundry tip and hack. Thank you.